zero coupon bond tutorial. This time we're talking about how to add liquidity to SushiSwap. So let's go to zero coupon bonds, find the correct pool. We are on Uni, August 2021 withdrawal date series, and click trade. That will take you to SushiSwap. You get this screen here, which is your trading interface. Here, the pool is the Uni token and 88 MPH Comp Uni August 2021 zero coupon bond token. To add liquidity, you must have both sides. We must have Uni and we must have the zero coupon bond. I have 50 from my previous tutorial, so I'm going to add the same amount of Uni. Just click max and it will provide the maximum for both. Now here you must approve both the assets to be spent by SushiSwap. Let's go ahead and do that now. Approve Uni. Uni has been approved, so now let's do 88 MPH. The long token name is because it is the 88 MPH protocol, the compound based Uni deposits with the August 2021 withdrawal date series. So why would you want to provide liquidity to this pool? Two reasons. The first one is that on March 14th, 88 MPH is rolling out a liquidity mining incentive program for these pools. For this pool, for the February 2022 similar pool, and also for the equivalent 3-curve harvest pools that you can use to mint zero coupon bonds. So these 4 pools are the only ones available at this moment. That is to ensure sufficient liquidity, because if there was pools for every single one, the liquidity would be too small. Now, it's important to notice that at this early stage, the liquidity pool is very small. Price fluctuations are going to be very high, and it may be difficult to find the parity price that you need in order to gain profit if you sell or if you buy. So please be very careful to compare the correct prices. Okay, so the approval has been done. Now let's supply both my Uni and my zero coupon bonds to the pool. I will receive SushiSwap tokens, SushiSwap LP tokens. Okay, added to the pool. So now we have our LP tokens. For the liquidity mining program, these are what signifies your position in this pool and will be what allows you to claim rewards. Another important point about adding liquidity to this pool. The impermanent loss, the enemy of many liquidity providers, is likely to be close to zero. This is because the zero coupon bond and Uni are for a 1-to-1 redemption. They should be in parity. So the chances are that you will receive very little impermanent loss, but you will still be able to gain trading fees, and for a period of time, the liquidity mining rewards that MPH is giving. So I hope this quick tutorial shows you how to do it. Also, I hope it incentivizes you to join the liquidity mining program. Thank you.